Section 210.8 covers ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI, an interconnected device circuit interrupter / ground fault circuit interrupter, or IDCI/GFCI, protection for personnel. This section defines an interconnected device circuit interrupter / ground fault circuit interrupter, or IDCI/GFCI, as a device designed to disconnect the electrical supply to an appliance at the power supply plug of the appliance when the appliance becomes immersed in water. When we talk about dwelling units, there are specific requirements. Firstly, bathrooms must have GFCI/IDCI protection. All 125-volt, single-phase, 15 and 20 ampere receptacles installed in bathrooms must have a GFCI/IDCI protecting the receptacle. Secondly, kitchens require GFCI protection. All 125-volt, single-phase, 15 and 20 ampere receptacles installed in the kitchen within 1.8 meters, or 6 feet, of the inside wall of the exterior of the dwelling unit and not more than 600 millimeters, or 24 inches, above the floor must have a GFCI protecting the receptacle. Thirdly, other locations mandate GFCI/IDCI protection. All 125-volt, single-phase, 15 and 20 ampere receptacles installed in the following locations must have a GFCI/IDCI protecting the receptacle. These locations include outdoor receptacles, crawl spaces, garages, wet bars, and unfinished basements. Fourthly, guest rooms require GFCI protection. All 125-volt, single-phase, 15 and 20 ampere receptacles installed in guest rooms within 1.8 meters, or 6 feet, of the inside wall of the exterior of the dwelling unit and not more than 600 millimeters, or 24 inches, above the floor must have a GFCI protecting the receptacle. Fifthly, laundry areas require GFCI protection. All 125-volt, single-phase, 15 and 20 ampere receptacles installed in laundry areas in dwelling units must have a GFCI protecting the receptacle. Sixthly, boathouses require GFCI/IDCI protection. All 125-volt, single-phase, 15 and 20 ampere receptacles installed in boathouses must have a GFCI/IDCI protecting the receptacle. Seventhly, rooftops require GFCI/IDCI protection. All 125-volt, single-phase, 15 and 20 ampere receptacles installed on rooftops must have a GFCI/IDCI protecting the receptacle. Eighthly, bathrooms listed as boathouses require GFCI protection. All 125-volt, single-phase, 15 and 20 ampere receptacles installed in bathrooms located in boathouses must have a GFCI protecting the receptacle. In addition to these requirements, cord and plug handheld appliances manufactured or remanufactured on or after January 1, 2011 must include an IDCI as an integral part of the attachment plug located in the power supply cord within 300 millimeters, or 12 inches, of the attachment plug. Appliances not incorporating integral IDCI protection must be connected to a GFCI/IDCI protected outlet. The reasoning behind these requirements is based on safety. OSHA records indicate a large number of deaths due to appliances being immersed in water held in sinks and bathtubs. IDCIs will provide a greater depth of protection in conjunction with current GFCI requirements. The GFCI, or ground fault circuit interrupter, is a safety device designed to protect people from electrical shock. It works by monitoring the current flowing in a circuit and quickly shutting off the power if it detects an imbalance. This imbalance typically occurs when current leaks to ground, which can happen if someone touches a live wire or a faulty appliance. The GFCI is designed to trip or interrupt the circuit very quickly, typically within a fraction of a second. This rapid response time can prevent serious injury or even death. GFCI protection is required in areas where there is a high risk of electric shock, such as bathrooms, kitchens, and outdoor locations. In these areas, water and moisture can increase the likelihood of current leakage and electric shock. By installing GFCI receptacles or circuit breakers, you can significantly reduce the risk of electrical accidents. The IDCI, or Interconnected Device Circuit Interrupter, is a more recent development in electrical safety technology. It is specifically designed to protect against the hazards associated with appliances falling into water. Unlike a GFCI, which monitors the current flowing in a circuit, an IDCI directly detects when an appliance is immersed in water. When immersion is detected, the IDCI immediately disconnects the power supply to the appliance, preventing electric shock. The IDCI is often integrated into the power cord or plug of appliances that are commonly used near water, such as hair dryers and curling irons. This integration ensures that the IDCI is always present and ready to provide protection. In addition to individual appliances, IDCIs can also be used to protect entire circuits or areas. In these cases, the IDCI is installed to the electrical panel and monitors the current flowing in the circuit. If the IDCI detects a sudden drop in current, which could indicate that an appliance has fallen into water, it will quickly shut off the power to the circuit. The combination of GFCI and IDCI protection provides a comprehensive approach to electrical safety. GFCI protection guards against current leakage and electric shock, while IDCI protection specifically addresses the hazards of appliances falling into water. By using both of these technologies, you can create a safer environment in your home or workplace. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, is a set of standards for electrical wiring and equipment in the United States. It is developed and updated by the National Fire Protection Association, or NFPA, and is widely adopted by states and local jurisdictions. The NEC specifies the requirements for GFCI and IDCI protection in various locations. It also provides guidance on the proper installation and maintenance of these devices. Compliance with the NEC is essential for ensuring electrical safety and preventing electrical accidents. The NEC is updated every 3 years to reflect the latest advancements in electrical technology and safety practices. It is important to stay informed about the current requirements of the NEC and to ensure that your electrical system is in compliance. When selecting GFCI and IDCI devices, it is important to choose products that are listed by a recognized testing laboratory, such as Underwriters Laboratories, or OL. These laboratories test products to ensure that they meet safety standards and performance requirements. Listed products are marked with the laboratory's logo, which indicates that they have been tested and certified. It is also important to choose devices that are appropriate for the intended application. GFCI receptacles are available in various amperage ratings and voltage ratings. Choose a receptacle that is compatible with the circuit it will be installed in. IDCI devices are also available in various configurations, including plug-in models and circuit breaker models. Choose a device that is suitable for the type of appliance or circuit you want to protect. Proper installation is essential for ensuring the effective operation of GFCI and IDCI devices. GFCI receptacles should be installed by a qualified electrician in accordance with the NEC. The electrician will ensure that the receptacle is properly grounded and wired. IDCI devices should also be installed by a qualified electrician, especially if they are being installed at the electrical panel. The electrician will ensure that the device is properly connected to the circuit and that it is functioning correctly. Regular testing is important for verifying that GFCI and IDCI devices are working properly. GFCI receptacles have a test button that can be used to simulate a ground fault. Pressing the test button should cause the receptacle to trip. If the receptacle does not trip, it may be defective and should be replaced. IDCI devices also have a test function that can be used to verify their operation. Refer to the manufacturer's instructions for details on how to test the device. It is recommended to test GFCI and IDCI devices at least once a month to ensure that they are functioning correctly. In addition to testing, it is also important to visually inspect GFCI and IDCI devices on a regular basis. Check for any signs of damage, such as cracks, broken parts, or discoloration. If you notice any damage, the device should be replaced. It is also important to keep GFCI and IDCI devices clean and free from debris. Dust and dirt can interfere with the operation of the device. Use a soft cloth to wipe the device clean on a regular basis. When working with electricity, it is important to take precautions to protect yourself from electric shock. Always turn off the power to the circuit before working on any electrical equipment. Use insulated tools and wear rubber gloves to protect yourself from current. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, it is best to hire a qualified electrician to do the work. Electrical safety is a serious matter. By following the recommendations in this video, you can significantly reduce the risk of electrical accidents and protect yourself and your family from harm. Remember to consult the NEC and other applicable codes and standards for specific requirements in your area. Stay informed about the latest advancements in electrical safety technology and take steps to ensure that your electrical system is safe and up to date.